here I'm opening one of my image in MS Paint. You can see. Second step is to select the entire image. From the select tool, click select all. And then third step is there is a remove background button specially built for the latest MS Paint. Click on that. Now you can see the background is removed. Now if you want to copy the background removed image, go to edit and press copy. Now select any other image and paste there. That's all. The background removed image is absolutely copied to the new image. Like this, you will be able to remove the background or transparent selection is possible in MS Paint. In latest version of Windows, you can see for MS Paint there is a special button for removing the background. How much effective this button is, you have to try. For some cases it's working absolutely correct and perfect, but in some cases, yes, there are some white patches coming on the selected background removed images. So it's all your choice how much you are using this MS Paint to remove the background. I'm able to remove for some cases, for some images it's working absolutely fine, but in some cases, yes, there are white patches. Simple, it's very simple. First of all, select your image and press this remove background button, and that's all. And then press Ctrl C, copy the image and paste it to any other image as you want. Or in some cases, if it's a colored background or with scenic background, yes, the background will be removed. So guys, this much is possible in MS Paint for the latest version of Windows. If you are in doubt, please write in comment section. I will definitely try to answer. Yes, it is working for some images. How is this experience? Write in comment section. Like, share the video, subscribe channel. Thank you.